Hey everyone, in this video I'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. So I got this from eBay and I only managed to pay only $100 since this was an auction bid which I won. So I bidded this a couple days ago and it just arrived today. So let's go ahead and unbox in this video. So before we unbox it, let's just take a look around. So we got the Buds Live. So as you can see, I got the Mystic White version. And on the side we have Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. Nothing on the top, nothing on this side. And on the back it just tells you some specifications about the Galaxy Buds. So they claim it's an ergonomic fit, has 6 to 21 hours of playtime, has triple microphones for clear call, and also features active noise cancellation. So as you can see, I got this brand new, still sealed in the box. So let's go ahead and break the seal. Alright, so there it is. So before we take a look, let's take a look at the paperwork under here. So we've got Samsung, so we have quick start guide along with warranty card. Alright, so in this box we have a charging cable, which is USB Type-C, and also as you can see on the right hand side we have some wingtips. So this is, I believe, the small and large wingtips. So pre-installed in the Galaxy Live are the middle or medium size wingtips. That's all in the box. So this is the Galaxy Buds Live, and that's all in the box. So let's just open the Galaxy Buds Live, and there they are. So we'll just take them out of its case, and here are the Galaxy Buds Live. Alright, so I'll just give you a little tour around the Galaxy Buds Live. So as you can see, I have the Mystic White version, so the case is a lot shinier. So if you either get the Mystic White or the Mystic Black, you have a glossy or shiny case, whereas if you get the Mystic Bronze, you'll have a matte finish instead. So we have Samsung Sound by AKG, and on the front we have a little LED light, so indicating charge state. So if it's green, then it's fully charged. If it's amber, it means it's around 50% charged, and if it's red, that means it needs to be charged. So that's just for the case. As you can see, just taking a look around, and as you can see on the back we have the USB Type-C port to charge the case. This also features wireless charging. Any Qi wireless charger will work with the Galaxy Buds Live. And this is just the bottom, which is all the information. Let's just open this up. So as you can see, the inside almost has like a matte finish to it. So the inside has a grey color, and as you can see on the top, there's a little piece of soft padding. So when you close it, it doesn't damage the inside of the case. And on the bottom here we have left and right, and we have the LED indicator for the Galaxy Buds themselves. Here's just a closer look on the inside. So we've got the contact points, and this is where the Galaxy Buds will sit in, and here's just the top view, and it closes really nicely. So it has that same opening and closing experience as the Galaxy Buds Plus. So that's pretty nice. Now let's just take a look closely at the Galaxy Buds Live earpieces. So they're almost shaped like the beans. So as you can see, the color, or the Mystic White, it has a nice glossy white finish to it. As you can see, we have microphone holes, so 2 of them on the outside. We have this piece here, I'm not really sure what that is. And then here is the inside. So we have the wingtip, which can be removed. So you can swap this out for the small or the larger wingtips. That's included with the inside the box. Down here we have the proximity sensor, so it senses when, or detects when it's inside your ears or not. And these are the speakers, I believe. So that's the speaker here. And here, I'm not sure what that is. I think that's a microphone as well. It's just inside or within the grills. And there we are. So that's the right side of the Galaxy Buds. And this is just the left side, which is identical but mirrored. There you are. So let's go ahead and connect this to a Galaxy phone. So it's really easy. All you have to do is just open up the Galaxy Buds Live. And as you can see, the Galaxy Buds Live has been detected by my phone. So let's hit connect. And there you are, it's already connected. So it can shows you the battery percentage of both the earbuds and the case. So you do need to download the Galaxy Wearable app in order to use the all the features from the Galaxy Buds Live. So if you don't have that installed, make sure you have that installed on your Android device. So let's go ahead and I'll take you into the actual app. Okay, let's just say for whatever reason, if your phone does not detect the Galaxy Buds Live, you can do it manually. So all you have to do is go into the Galaxy Wearable app. You hit on add new device, add, and it will give you a list of the devices. So in this case, I have the Galaxy Buds Live. So as you can see, it has detected the Galaxy Buds Live. Right, so now it's setting up my phone. So congrats on your new Galaxy Buds Live. Link, okay. And now it just shows you how to wear the Galaxy Buds Live. Now these are a bit different to your standard Galaxy Buds because there are more opened earbuds rather than the closed. So usually you're used to the rubber ear tips, but with these ones, because they don't really have any rubber ear tips, a lot of it kind of relies on the top of the ear tips. Okay, so I'm all set. So as you can see, this is the app for the Galaxy Buds Live. So it shows you the percentage of the earbuds alongside with the case. And one of the new features with the Galaxy Buds Live from the Galaxy Buds Plus is the active noise cancelling. So you can turn this on and off. I don't think it will be as good as, let's say, the AirPods Pro, but it should do a really good job cancelling a lot of the noise out. So as you can see here, we got the equalizer. So we got different modes. So normal, bass boost, soft, dynamic, clear, and treble boost. So you can customize the equalizer. Here we got touch controls. So we go into here. It's really similar to the Galaxy Buds features. So you can use the left and right here to do certain commands. And they're pretty much the same. You can also block touches, read notifications out loud, so pretty much read your notifications through the earphones. Advanced, so we got Bixby voice wake up. So if you say dot Bixby, then you can use it to for voice assistant. Labs, so we got gaming mode, so minimize audio delay. and synchronized gaming sound, but it does drain a lot of battery if you do use that, and relieve pressure with ambient sound. So if there's a lot of pressure within your ears, then you can turn this on and it will help release some of that pressure from your ears. Find my earbuds, that's pretty much a standard feature with all the Galaxy Buds, so finding your earbuds, if you do lose them, it will make a little noise. General, resets, and then earbud software update, tips and user manual, so if you want to learn how to use your Galaxy Buds and the features, and then about earbuds. So that's pretty much all the standard features with the Galaxy Buds. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try them on, see how they fit. I won't give you a really in-depth sound review because I'm not an audiophile, but I will tell you how they fit in general. So it's really interesting. They do actually fit, but they don't feel as tight as, let's say, the Galaxy Buds, mainly because they don't have the silicone E-tips and also the wingtips that helps it secure my ears. So, but they do still fit, which is really a good sign. And I'll just play a song quickly. Yeah, so they sound basically like the Galaxy Buds. The volume in terms of, so it's really nice and loud. The clarity is pretty much on par with the Galaxy Buds. But yeah, everything, it pretty much feels like the Galaxy Buds Plus. The only difference is it doesn't feel as tight or as secure as the Galaxy Buds. So also another thing with the Galaxy Buds Live is you can connect this with iOS devices. So all you have to do is just download the Galaxy Buds app on your iOS device, and pretty much the procedure is the same as if you were setting up on a Android device. So you would just hit the Galaxy Buds Live option, and then you'll get pretty much all the features on the Galaxy Buds Live. Now, as you can see, I've got the iPhone 6s Plus, which does not support the Galaxy Buds Live features. So just a disclaimer, it only works if you have an iPhone 7 or above. So anything below that will not support the Galaxy Buds Live. So if you have an iPhone 7, iPhone 8, 10, or all those iPhones, the newer iPhones, it will support the Galaxy Buds Live. And you can get all the features if on iOS. And also another thing is, let's say if the Galaxy Buds app does not support your iOS device, you can still use these as regular Bluetooth earphones. Just take notice that most of the features that the Galaxy Buds Live offer, you will not get within your device. The only way you can get those features is through the app. The only way. That's the only way you can get pretty much all the features. Otherwise, you can still use these as regular Bluetooth earphones. So just to finish off this video, I just want to do a quick comparison between the Galaxy Buds Plus and the Galaxy Buds Live. So as you can see, they are both the white version. So yeah, so same colors, which is good. So as you can see with the Galaxy Buds Plus, it has a glossy white finish to it. So very similar finish to the Galaxy Buds Live. So as you can see with the colors and the finishes, they're both very similar. They both have a white glossy shiny finish to it. So as you can see right here, so it's pretty much the finish and the finish and the color looks identical. The only difference is the shape of it. So as you can see, this is more of a pill shape, whereas this is more of a square shape. So here is the front of the device. If I do this, maybe it might look a lot easier to compare to. Here is the bottom. This is upside down, but here it is. Text on here is a lot more darker than this one. This is a lot more lighter. And we just turn around. And this is the back. And if we just quickly open this up, this is the Galaxy Buds Plus, Buds Live. So as you can see, the inside of the Buds Plus is all white, whereas the Buds Live, it's all grey. This is just the top view. So as you can see with the Buds Live, it has a little strip at the top, prevents it from damaging the inside. So this is just the inside, and here are the buds. So as you can see, the shape is a lot more different, very different. This is more of a I don't know how you describe this, more of a ball shape, whereas this is more of a bean shape. So as you can see, the microphone placement is a lot different, as you can see there. And then here is the other side. So as you can see this, you can see the gel piece that sticks inside your ear canal with the Buds Plus, and then the top the wingtip. It's a lot larger. Whereas this one, the only wingtip is this portion here with the Live, and that's all the sensors that you can see. So the shape is a lot different, very different. And also the color, it's all white on the Buds Plus, both ends, whereas this one just has a grey color, which is almost like a matte finish to it on this side. And then if we just turn this around, glossy white finish. And there you go. Same thing on this side, the left side, very similar, nothing different. So that's it, that's all for this video. That's just a unboxing and first quick look at the Galaxy Buds Live Mystic White Edition. Thank you for watching. And then